What's up, family? Thick and Curly here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you would do me the favor, please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Thick and Curly. And for all things encouragement, motivation, equipping, and empowerment, be sure to follow and subscribe my other channel, Brandy S. Turpin, as well on social media. Now let's get into this video. Here are the finished results. And I'm not sure if I'm going to title this update to my starter lock bun or bohemian starter lock bun. Because you see it's giving you very bohemian vibes, but let's get into it. Alright, I raised you guys up just enough so you can see the hair. But this is the same ponytail that I use. Get black pins, guys. I know you guys saw some gold ones back there. That's because I was not planning on filming today. The same ponytail that I used for the wedding. This is that ponytail, and I actually like this bun a lot better than the original one. The original one that I did, that link will be below. It's not bad. It's just that it's a bundle of hair. Versus this is very much uniformed, already on the ponytail holder. So, my little pieces that come out, I like to kind of curl them between my reties. So that's that. These are my back pieces that always hang because they are too short to go up. So I always end up pinning these, but sometimes I just leave them hanging. So that part is up to you. Also this back, you can gel it, you can edge it, or you can just kind of leave it like it is. All right, so my natural locks are just pulled up into a bun. I don't know how to do that. And then I get my ponytail. Again, the video's below on how to make this. I wrap it around that bun once or twice. Actually, I'm gonna just do it once because then you're gonna wrap and pin. And then from here, guys, you're just wrapping to cover up your natural scraggly pieces. And you can wrap at an angle so that it's not building up like a beehive and so that it is not too big. But if you like it big, wrap high. Those pieces that are naturally falling, I just let them be because I'm going to use them in the end. There's some pieces over here. I'm going to pull them around this way, the opposite direction. What you're doing is creating texture in the bun. Some pieces are going one way, others are going another way. You're creating texture because that's what's going to give you the bohemian feel. Okay, and then I just leave those pieces out, hanging right there. Same thing right here. I'm gonna go the other way. I can leave them out here or come around some. Again, use black unless you want to use a color for decoration. And you're pinning wherever you need security. So I want this to be a little bit down some, so I am tucking it into itself. You guys see me tucking? I'm gonna pin. Go crazy with the pinning so that you know it's not coming out. And it's that easy, guys. And to make it bohemian, you just play with it. Do what you want. But the point is you want to have some loose ends like that. You don't want it to be a perfect bun unless it's what you're looking for. But to give it this kind of free-flowing bohemian look, that's what you want to do. Nice, quick, super easy protective style. Super easy go-to style. Super easy style if you want to just put your locks up or you want a little bit of length for the day. Hope this helps. Let me know if you try it. Peace and blessings, taking care of.